Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Christine of Side Street Market, and today's haul is a linens haul. So if you don't like linens, you don't like handkerchiefs, this may not be the haul for you. It could be fabric in here. I'm not sure what's in here, but I got this whole bag at the flea market for $10. And what it was the guy said, because he had a bunch of dolls on the table too, and he said the lady who he got these from, she would collect these pieces and then turn them into clothes for her dolls. So I have no idea what's going to be in here, but I thought it'd be a lot of fun to open it with you and see what's in here so I can get them washed and get them ready for you. So we're just going to dump everything out on the table so it has some air. It can start to air a bit. And I'm just going to dive right in. First, we have a little bit of a modern looking scarf. It does have some pulling on the edges, but that is still a cute little piece there. I see a little bit of staining, so it probably is just going to need a little washing. But that would be cute as like on a table underneath something, like with black underneath it, or white, like on a white tablecloth. That'd be really cute. So then, ooh, this is a pretty one. Look at this. This nice green handkerchief. Ooh, that's a nice one. It does have one little pull across it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there, it just has one little line. But otherwise, that is a lovely, lovely fall piece. It would also look really cute, like tied up in a hair bow. So there's that pretty fall color. There's a couple of them that are pretty. I gotta figure out the best way to wash these. Ooh, I see a tiger. Oh, wow. Wow, this one is fancy. Ooh, and it feels really nice too. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It is a giant lion scarf. Tiger, I mean. That is beautiful, and it doesn't have any issues that I am seeing. They just all need a good bit of airing out. I'm not seeing any makers, but that is gorgeous, like as a wall hanging. It's beautiful shimmery material. Look at that. That is gorgeous. So already, I feel like it was worth the $10. This feels like silk. All silk, hand printed in Italy, Saks Fifth Avenue. Ooh, it's like a tube. I guess that's a scarf. It's like a tube shape. So I guess that is a scarf, and you can see hand printed in Italy, Saks Fifth Avenue. So I guess that's a scarf because it's got like the tube on the side. Unless she stitched it together. I don't know if she stitched it together. No, it looks like it came that way. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm gonna have some nice things on my eBay shop. Oh, where are my horse people? Wow. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. It's a nice soft fabric. Look at this one with the plaid and the horse saddle in the center. Hold on, let me get it turned around the right way. Is that a horse saddle? That is like a horse bridle. Can you guys see that? Look at that. And then all around the edges are people on horses. This one is made in Italy, 100% polyester, machine wash, gentle low, A broad fashion accessories, BROD. So I'm gonna have to look that one up because I think that one alone, like a couple of these would pay for the whole bag. So that's very exciting. Ooh, we have a little bit of lace. You gotta love a little lace. That is cute, cute, cute. Good in a little set. And look, guys, look at these. Oh my God, they're so delicate. They're little beaded gloves. I wouldn't even attempt to get my hands in here. There's a little bit of staining on it. Those are cute though. I don't even know what size those would be, but those are hand beaded. And they're a nice thick glove. That's beautiful. They look almost like wedding gloves. I wouldn't even know how to figure out a size. I'm going to have to look that up. Those are pretty. Very cute. Here's another kind of like outdoorsy themed one. This has got ducks all over it and black fringe on the side. And kind of like that checkered, I forget what that's called. There's a word for it. That brown and black kind of pattern on the back there. You guys can't see it because my hands, it's not like a gingham. Like a houndstooth maybe. That is another really pretty scarf. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these guys. Ooh. This one has a card in it. Oh, there's a note. 1920s woman's small or child's holes and mended behind a frame. Look at that. Oh, there is a little hole. I'm going to put that back in there. So this is a 1920s laced child's glove, or ladies. Look at that, guys. That's why I love these sort of bags, because you never know what you're going to find. Then there's a nice set of black gloves in here. Oh, look how cute with the little bows. Oh, you guys can't see that. They have like little, it's got like little bows on it. It's hard to show up. There you go. Those are nice. Those are very nice. I got chubby hands. I ain't gonna try that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those guys. I have to figure that out. And we still have this whole pile to go through. This one looks pretty. Y'all didn't see this one. Oh my. Oh my. It's a strawberry one. I am gonna have to wash it, but check that out. With all the strawberries on there. It's gonna be in the live sale. You know it. Then this is just a cute set. They're all like the little ruffle edges. So those are fun to lot. Oh my gosh, it's destiny, guys. It was destiny for me to find this. Look at all the hand embroidered handkerchiefs. And so you know my name is Christine and my last name is Cantrell. They're all embroidered with C on it. Look at that. That is very, very sweet. And look at these. These are gorgeous. This one does have some staining on the back, so I may need to soak these. I like, this one's very patriotic with the red, white, and blue. That would be very cute for like the 4th of July on something. I like that. This one says Germain on it. There's a couple of them that say Germain. These have some staining. Oh yeah, these have staining. Oh yeah, these are pretty stained. That's a shame. I wonder, I'll try to wash them with some OxyClean and see if I can save them. Like I'll soak them, like I'll get one of my bins and fill it with water. And because there's purple and blue and yellow. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. There's another Germain. Another one of those little edged guys. A lot of these need washing. Ooh, this one has some pretty lace detailing on the corner there. Aw, this one says grandmother with the purple flowers. Oh, that's sweet. A mother is the heart of the home. That would be cute framed. Ooh, these are pretty. Like with the little iridescent blue flowers on them. And then this one, ooh, this one says, made in Switzerland, all cotton exclusive of decoration, lady heritage. And this one's got like an iridescent flower on it. So that must be what this one is too. And then if you like ivy, there's a little ivy one. There's like a whole pile, guys. That's why I made this its own video. I like this one. This one kind of speaks to me. It's got some cool retro vibes. Check that out. That's very funky. This is just a cute little gingham one. And then there's just a whole bunch of these, just little delicate. I wonder if she stitched these herself. Oh, this is sweet for like Valentine's Day. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. That is too cute. It needs a little washing. Then there's more just like that. And the pinks. And then we've got more of these little like hand stitched one. So what I would do with these is like I would lot them together and make like little groupings. I've got to start getting some of these listed online in my Etsy. Oh, look at the butterfly on this one. Love it. Super sweet. I like this. It's the blue with the orange. We've got a ton of lace going on here, guys. This was a really, really good $10. I mean, this is amazing. Now this, oh look, it's a Mickey Mouse hand towel. That is funny. That cracks me up. I know someone who would like that. I know where that's going. Disney, 100% cotton. Made in Portugal. I know where that's going. This one is very cool for like fall. With like the fall leaves. Check that out. Awesome. Guys, I still have like, well, this one fell out. Oh, this one feels silky. Ooh, it's like sassy with like leopard. Sassy print scarf. I'm seeing some neon pink in here. Ooh. Well, that's interesting. That's very pink. Made in Japan, 100% nylon. That surprises me. That is different. Okay. Trying to dig through here. We've got some silk ribbon. And then this is a set that's not open that says Mako on it. So I'm going to have some linen washing and stuff to get done. Ooh. I don't know if you guys, can you guys see the tulips? That makes me wish I had a round table. That is stunning. This blue one is pretty too. It's got the keyholes, the little cutouts. I see Chanel. Chanel Paris. It's got a little bit of a pull on it, but this says Chanel. Like whether this is a knockoff or not, I don't know, but it says Chanel all over it. And given the fact that she had some of the other nice pieces in here, I might assume that this is like a Chanel. And it's got like the center that has the C in it. Very cool. We've got some more little cute little spring daisy sets. Look at those, perfect for the springtime. This screams St. Patrick's Day. Gotta love that. Something for every season. I'm definitely gonna hold on to that for St. Patrick's Day. And this one I'm gonna hold on to for Valentine's Day. And then I'll try to use this maybe in my summer 4th of July. Then this is just a simple white silk scarf, it looks like. Cream color. It's got some holes in it from a tag. Just a little bit of linen. This was probably going to be used for a dress. Oh, I bet this goes with that pink one. It says B-U-R Bursil. Look at that. Wow, that is neon and beautiful. Wow, look at that one, guys. I don't know if how vibrant this is coming across. I'll hold it up against my shirt. Look how vibrant that is. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, Look how tiny. Like you can't tell how, okay. It's really, really, really tiny. This is great. Then you've just got a simple, nice brown. That one needs some washing. And we still have this pile of linens, guys. So let me know what you think. Do you think I got a good haul? Do you see anything that looks good? This is just some like simple black fabric. I gotta get all this stuff washed though. Oh, this is really cool. Seesaw Marjorie Daw. Look at that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out a little Tupperware thing and I'm going to slowly start cleaning these with some OxyClean a little at a time because some of these are very gentle and delicate and I hate for them to get ruined because I don't really have a place to hang them up to dry. I was hoping that other half of that glove was in here. And the rest of these are just kind of like your basic white. This is another pretty blue one. This one says, all linen made in Ireland. So this is Irish linen. And that's what I'll have to be careful of. Some of these I won't be able to because I don't want to ruin their labels. So there's like Irish linen in here. This actually has a hue of like a very pale blue to it almost. Oh wow. Lots of little bits. A lot of these are just plain white, so that's pretty. Oh, wow. Look at that, and it's very, very soft. Beautiful. So I'm going to start working on cleaning these guys and getting them hopefully nice and into some lots that maybe I can start posting, or by the time I post the video. The rest of these are all just like this, the white on white. So I'm extremely happy with that bag for $10. Like when I was told it was for making doll clothes, I was a little nervous that there'd be a lot of damaged pieces, but I think that was a fantastic buy for $10. So if you liked the video, be sure to let me know, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. If you had a favorite or saw something, because I don't know a lot about linens, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget, like I said, guys, to subscribe because I'll be back with live sales, storage unit sales, haul videos, shop with me's, and a little bit of life. So I'll see you all soon.